We're going to do a general brief overview of Class C airspace. I'm going to be using the FAA airspace profile to do this. So we have this airspace profile. We also have some notes here, which I'll be going over. So let's look at the airspace profile. And with this Class C or Class Charlie, remember we should be using Class Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, and Golf. Really want to ingrain that in your memory because it might test you on that. So for Class Charlie, Class C right here, it is generally, but not always, but it is generally, you might get asked on this, from the surface, so where this airport lines are right here, it's from the surface to about 4,000 feet, and this is above MSL, which is the mean sea level. So from the bottom to the top, it's about 4,000 feet. For Class B, just a refresher, it's from the bottom to about 10,000 feet. And then Class A starts at 18,000. So those are numbers that you're just going to want to remember. Class A is 18,000, Class B is surface to 10,000, and Class C is going to be from surface to 4,000. So it's a bit smaller than Class Bravo. The surface area, so this bottom part right here, is generally 5 nautical miles. So if we put it like in the distance, it's going to be 5 nautical miles out. Now the second layer, top here, is usually 10 nautical miles, and it extends from about 1,200 feet to 4,000 feet generally. So this surface layer is going to go from surface to 1,200 feet generally, and then from there it's going to go 1,200 up to the top, which is 4,000 feet. A remote pilot, you're going to need authorization from the ATC before you operate in Class Charlie airspace. It's going to be the same for B, C, D, or E. You need authorization from the ATC, and so that is going to be our notes surrounding Class C airspace. We're going to keep going through the FAA guidebook. Those videos will be in the description below the like button. It'll be in the playlist too to help you study for your Part 107.